Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about ROAR, AlphaDEX, and I want to give complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project will be getting the video descriptions. You can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be an investment advice. My job is to find and distribute most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording AlphaDEX. You know about that some time ago they just found KuCoin post the new coin who are listed on the KuCoin exchange. You can see AlphaDEX get listed on KuCoin World Premier. And if you look to AlphaDEX, the symbol is ROAR, get listed on KuCoin. Dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce that another great project is coming to our trading platform. AlphaDEX will be available on KuCoin. Supporting trading pair is USDT. Means that if you want to buy this one project, you will be easily able to buy this one project from with the pair of USDT. And I just want to give some detail about the following schedules of the listing. Please take the note of the following schedule. You can see deposit effectively immediately supported network is BEP20 and MOVER mainnet is coming soon. So they just want to work on that. But if you look to this one network, they already done partnership and they are already supported network considered the Binance Smart Chain BEP20. And after that, if you look to trading will be live on 27 January in 2022 and withdraw will be on 30 January in 2022. Means that if you want to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange, you will be able to withdraw on 30 January. After that, I just want to give the project summary. First of all, I just want to discuss about the tags. Tag is GEX and yard forming and Moonbeam. I already told about Moonbeam. What is Moonbeam? If you don't know about that, you can also check out the second video about that. And AlphaDEX is an inventive decentralized AMM incubator yard following an NFT launch solution powered by the Moonriver and now Moonbeam. We will assist in ushering high calibre project in the Moonriver and Moonbeam space and assist with talking them to market ROAR. So there are some detail about that, but I just want to go to the main website about this one project and I want to clarify every points from here. So first of all, you can also indicate from the main title. You can see AlphaDEX is the ultimate cross-chain AMM incubator and NFT launchpad. And after this is just powered by Moonriver. And after that, what is AlphaDEX? AlphaDEX is inventive decentralized AM incubator yield farming and NFT launch solutions powered by Moonriver and Ethereum. So basically inventive cross-chain layers 2 scaling on Moonriver, Ethereum and Cosma. And there's some detail about the AlphaDEX and partner with the best-in-class technology to help provide a unparalleled safe trading protocol and user experience. So there's some detail about that. And after that, the AlphaDEX vision, there's some detail about the vision developing inventive cross-chain ring AMM protocol that utilize the best in the class parachain featuring Polkadot interoperability and its desired state. So there are some details also about the vision of the AlphaDEX, but I just want to scroll down because I just want to pick up the main important points from this one project. So if you look at the protocol of this one project, you can see right over here AlphaDEX is ready to go to on Moonriver. So this is also too much best for this one project, and our developer have designed a fully operational DEX that has been already integrated into Moonriver and Ethereum blockchain. AlphaDEX partnering with the finest teach to bring you only the best AM experience that coupled with the Moonriver river for the most superior DEX on the planet. Join our ecosystem and create market with shared liquidity pools reward today. Then become part of our community to take advantages of our rewards and redeem opportunity. So it means that if you want to join the main community of this one project, how can you join? You simply go to the main Twitter account of this one project. You will be also join to the main community of this one project, and after that, if you also you can join the main Telegram accounts of this one project, you will be able to get different type of rewards and airdrops and giveaways from these projects. So there are some detail about they just want to clarify everything from right over here. So there's some detail about roadmap, and if you look to roadmap, we directly understood that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this one projects. There are some detail about the roadmap and strategic round is VC and strategic investor round commence, and Moonriver DX they also done everything in 2021, and just I'm looking for January 2022 IDO public sale, but I think so they already done that. And if you look to farming beta and 2022, this is also in January, and I'm just going to April on 2022. LP alt farming v2 AlphaDEX to launch a new attractive LP staking and farming program to assist in there's a best and too much interesting event for this one project, because of if they can do the yield farming in that time, they just burn supply. And if you look to if they are burn the main supply, then in that time we can see spike in the main price of these one projects. So they also work on Savannah Launchpad and Roid 6 listing NFT, Launchpad beta fractional NFT. So this is this is also too much better for that, but I think so they are done in December 2021 this one projects, this one events. And after that, if you look to DX statutory airdrops, so this is airdrops and this is the burning events. So in this will be done in August, so you must be participating that, and you must be wait for that. If you want to participate in that, I am recommending this one project. You must participate after the listing, because if you look in listing time, the project is have more and more volatile. That's why I didn't recommend right now. And after that, I just want to go to tokenomics. Tokenomics is also too much important. We directly understood that how can then redistribute the main supply of this one project. So AlphaDEX development is 15%, team and advisor is 15%, liquidity and ecosystem is 34.5%, community and marketing is 20%, public and launchpad is 22.5%, private and strategic is 10%, early contributor is 3%, and total supply is 120 millions. And after that, the team, you can see this is the team, and you can also see about that it's a completed, and you can also join them on Instagram. And after that, if you look to partners, they also done partnership with many. You can see right over here there is a many companies who are already done partnership with that, and there's a media press, you can also check out them. But I just want to recommend you can also go to the main Twitter account, Discord and Instagram and Telegram. You can see right over how you can find out different type of for this one project. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.